Hello there, Alex and Deb. This is Steve, and this is AJ.
Hey, Jay.
And we're just gonna, oh, there you are. We're gonna give you a free website analysis here and kind of go over your business a little bit and kind of help you out and give you some free stuff, free information, and things you can do. He's gonna give you some free money, maybe, and so if you're good. So I'm gonna go over your website here and kind of give you a free analysis of what you can do to kind of get some more business with your website. So. The first thing I notice is that it's made from Vistaprint, and I'm just like, I don't know about Vistaprint.
Dude, where's it saying that?
Because I know. I've built sites off this. It says it down here, too.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
you got your little Facebook icon down here. That could probably go up top so people can see it and maybe bigger. Let's just see if it links to your Facebook. And it does. Looks like, well, no, I don't see your page. I think it just links to the Facebook. It doesn't link to your website page, so your Facebook page. So, but you do have your phone number really big up here, which is good. I would maybe, I don't know if you have a logo or anything, but I would definitely put a logo. Get a logo. I can build that for you, create that for you if you want, and put that up top and kind of build some branding. So I think the text should be a little bit easier to read. It's kind of hard with that dark background, and maybe some more pictures. Some more portfolio pictures on the front. Some videos are really good. So videos help with search engine optimization, search engine ranking. So your site will rank up at the top of Google a little bit better. So you got only 3 pages here, which isn't very much. I mean, you got your contact. That's good. About page. That's good. You got some content here talking about your business. And I would maybe do a video of you guys just talking and telling you about business. People don't like to read. I'm pretty lazy to read.
I have that picture bigger.
Yeah, the pictures should be bigger and just more pictures and content overall. Just make it more lively. And I would maybe make pages to like your building materials and stuff like that, like what your services basically, service pages. So the more pages you have on your site, like. Without it being cluttered, you can get enough on there, and then that will help with your search engine rankings as well. So I think that's all I pretty much have for you for now. If you want to get a hold of me and I can help you with some of these changes, you can. So I'll hand it over to AJ. He's going to talk to you about some free money. So
all right. All right. What was her name, Tammy?
Alex and Deb.
Alex and Deb. All
yep.
right. Okay, my name is AJ Al Johnson, and I work for PaperTech, and we can actually give you some money. And this screen here is talking about some cash, and we can go anywhere from $5,000 up to $10,000 up to $100,000. And a lot of people use that. You know, we got Christmas coming up. This is October right now, but a lot of people looking for a little bit more inventory. They're looking to, do some nice frilly stuff in their establishment there, and maybe help pay payroll or something like that. You know, anything you may need cash for. You know, you can pay that off, or however it goes. Typically, private card swipe, so you can go 7 months up to 18 months to pay off a loan like that. But it's pretty simple. You know, poor credit, no problem there. One-page application, get the decision within a day, and you get the money in your account in about 48 hours. Okay, here's an email. You can send me your email. So you send me the email then with the 3 months bank statements, and then I can bring you a colored printout to show you how much money you can get and some other issues that you may have. You know, let me see here. Right here, we also have free quotes, and this is how you can get extra $500 from us. If we cannot beat your credit card processing fees, we will give you that $500. We've got a cool program right now. It's called Social Prime, and that system here helps you eliminate all the banking fees, the credit card fees that you may have on your service. And a lot of people say, well, what's the rate going to be? Well, you can't really tell the rate. So if anybody comes into your establishment and tell you, hey, it's going to be 1 point something, you can't really tell because see this right here? This is all the things that make up your statement on your credit card processing. And that depends on which one pays for what. Some people come in and use their reward cards, so you're paying more for that. Some people use their American Express, you're paying more for that. You know, so can't really tell. But you know, we got free POS system if you need that. These are some of the swiping things we got there. If you need some of those, we can get you some of those for free. This here is a little sample profile. So this is what your system will look like when we bring it over there to you, so you can see.
Save a lot of money.
Save a lot of money. This people here, right here, down the Ozarks here, they're doing like $63,000 a month, and it's paying about $207 worth of fees. Now think about it. You know you would pay a lot more fees on something like that. What is that? That's not even 1%.
Yeah,
that's not
crazy.
Even 1% on it.
Yeah.
Okay, this one here is $23,000 a month, and they're paying like $201. So you know you can just kind of see what you can actually be saving. Look at that, that's annual right there. So that's the money that you guys can be saving. But here's the $500 guarantee, and if we can't save you any money, we'll give you that money there. But here's my information right here. If you want to get a hold of us, you know, if you want us to reevaluate your website, help change some of those things, or if you just want to if you wanted to get some loan money, or if you needed to, you know, see what your banking fees are, because it's really good to actually get that done at least once a year, just to make sure that you've got a best system. Because you know, a lot of people come in and tell you one thing, but you know, after a while, 2 or 3 months, you notice your rates have jacked back up. And this is the benefit here, because we're consultants, so if we can help you, we can help you. If not, we'll show you 3 or 4 other options that you can use so you can save some money on your credit card fees. Because
I like to help those small businesses.
That's right. You should be able to keep your profit. Don't give it to the credit card business, credit card company. Yeah. But hey, that's about it. We went into the 6 minutes right now. If you guys need to get a hold of us, you can call us, text us, and you know, make an appointment with us. We'll come out and do a video for you, do whatever we need. But hey, we got to go. Talk to you later. Ciao.
Thanks,
See you.